Welcome to the Coco YouTube channel. Subscribe to our channel to watch new videos like this. NASA is looking for proposition for 2 new private space explorer missions to the International Space Station as a feature of the office's endeavors to open space to more individuals than any other time in recent memory. With these chances, U.S. business organizations will keep on assuming a fundamental part in setting up a supported presence in low Earth circle through the office's commercial LEO development program. The initially designated flight opportunity will happen between fall of 2022 and mid-2023, and the subsequent will happen between mid-2023 and the finish of 2023. Recommendations are expected Friday, July 9, 2021 at 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. NASA will have a pre-proposers meeting to handle industry questions identified with this declaration on Tuesday, June 22, 2021 at 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A private space explorer mission includes U.S. business rocket shipping private space explorers to the space station, where they lead exercises on board the circling research center or a business structure joined to it. NASA is empowering up to 2 brief-span private space explorer missions each year. This year is really a renaissance for human spaceflight, both as we fly NASA and worldwide accomplished space travelers on U.S. business group space apparatus to the International Space Station, and furthermore as we see the extension of private space traveler missions, said Phil McAllister, overseer of business spaceflight advancement at NASA headquarters. As more individuals fly to space and accomplish more things during their space flights, it draws in much more individuals to accomplish more exercises in low Earth circle, and mirrors the developing business sector we imagined when we started the Commercial Crew program 10 years prior. The new designated flight openings will be the 2nd and 3rd private space explorer missions to the International Space Station. NASA consented to an arrangement with Axiom Space for the main private space explorer mission to happen no sooner than January 2022. Every one of the new missions might be as long as 14 days. Explicit dates are reliant upon shuttle traffic to the space station and in-circle movement arranging and imperatives. Private space explorer missions should be facilitated by a U.S. substance and use U.S. transportation rocket that meet NASA's International Space Station visiting vehicle prerequisites, approaches, and methodology. Allude to Focus Area 4A of NASA Research Announcement NNJ13ZBG001N for extra subtleties. Empowering private space traveler missions to the International Space Station is important for the office's objective to foster a hearty low Earth circle economy, where NASA is one of numerous clients, and the private area drives the way. This system will offer types of assistance the public authority needs at a lower cost, empowering the organization to zero in on its Artemis missions to the Moon and on to Mars while proceeding to utilize low Earth circle as a preparation and demonstrating ground for those profound space missions. Thank you so much for joining our video. Subscribe to our channel to watch new videos like this. Don't forget to share the video with your friends.